Rajana
Yes, now exercise 3.4, page 98, question 1. Understand this one, everyone, properly. Find all quartiles for the data given below about the marks scored by 15 students in class test. Very first of all, any question of median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles. First thing, what do we have to do? Arrange in ascending order. So now, arranging in ascending order, we get 0, 2, 3, 4, 2 times, 4, 4, 5 also 2 times, 5, 5, 6 is 3 times, 6, 6, 6, 7 is 2 times, 7, 7, 8 is 2 times and 9 is 1 time. 8, 8 and 9. Understood this, everyone? Okay, basically, this is the first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th observation. Understood this? N is equal to 15. Did all of you write up till here? Raise your hand who is still writing. Now all quartiles, how many quartiles are there? 3. Divides in 4 parts, but there are 3 quartiles. Find all quartiles means we will find Q1, Q2, Q3, all the 3. Okay. Q1 I am showing, Q2 alas, Q3 you try on your own. And then same question will practice for decile and percentile also. Because in deciles and percentiles no extra question is there in textbook for ungrouped data. So now Q1 is equal to value of 1 n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Q1, so multiply with 1 and quartiles will divide by 4. All of you remember this we did yesterday? So value of 1, n is 15. 15 plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Understood this? Now value of, say 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 4 is 4 into 1 is, so 4th observation. Understood that, everyone? Any confusions? Now 4th observation is 4. See, first, second, third, fourth. 4th is 4. So 4 is our answer. Any doubts for this? Now for Q2, Kanisha, value of 2 n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Q2, so you will multiply with 2 and quartile, so you will divide with 4. Understood this, everyone? Then Neil, Kunal, next step. Today you are present. Tell me.
2 plus 15 plus 1.
So value of 2, n is 15, 15 plus 1 upon 4th observation. Did all of you understand this? Now always do the bracket first. All of you remember that Badmash? First division, multiplication, then addition, subtraction. So first do the brackets. Do it as I am saying, 15 plus 1 divide by 4. Bracket is done. Now do into 2. 8th observation. Always do the bracket first. Okay, 15 plus 1 divided by 4 and then 2 into 2. Directly don't do 2 into 50, it will give you wrong answer. It will become 2 into 50, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 divided by 4, 7 point something. That will be wrong. First solve the bracket in calculator. So in calculator, 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 4 is 4. Into 2 is 8. Understood how to do it in calculator, everyone? And on value of 8th observation. Now, as we already marked earlier, see which is the 8th observation? 6. Any doubts on this? Do Q3. Okay, not Q3, Q3 on your own. All of you do Q3 on your own. Yes? By the way, Q3 has a special relevance today. Yes, one of our partners has purchased Audi Q3 today. I'll convey. Continue with the work. What happened? Any problem in that? Got the answer? Yes. Listen everyone. Q3. Value of 3 into n plus 1 by 4. 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 4, 4 into 3, 12th observation. That is 7. Is everyone able to get this? Any confusions? Now as extra question, we'll practice decile and percentile also. Decile I'll show, and again percentile you'll try on your own. So write down. Also find D3 and P62 from the above question. Also find D3 and P62 from the above question. Now D3 I am showing it, P62 you try on your own. D3, so I'll multiply with 3. Okay, D3, so we will multiply with 3. And decile you will divide with 10. Got it everyone? So let down value of 3 n plus 1 upon 10th observation. Value of 3, 15 plus 1 divided by 10th observation. Value of 4.8th observation. As I said, first what will you do in calculator? Bracket. Do it everyone. 15 plus 1 divided by 10 into 3. Do you all get 4.8? Any confusions? Now 4.8. So 4.8. Dia, how will we expand? Then in bracket? Put it. Fifth minus 4. Listen everyone. If you have 4.8, the two parts are 4 and 0.8. So first you will do 4th observation. Okay? Then plus 0.8. And then here it is 4. So 5th minus 4th observation. So is everyone clear with this? Let on value of 4th observation. Who is talking in between? Observation should not become obs. Okay? Plus 0.8 bracket fifth observation minus fourth observation. Is everyone clear with this? Now, what is the fourth observation? Plus 0.8. What is the fifth observation? 4 minus 4. Again here, what mistake should not be done? Correct. Don't do 4 plus 0.8 into multiplication. First solve this part, then only you'll add 4, otherwise you'll get wrong answers. Otherwise you'll get 0 answer. Here 4 plus 0.8 into 0. 4 plus 0, that is. Don't do 4 plus 0.8, 4.8, 4.8 into 0, 0. Be careful, first always solve the bracket part. Is everyone clear with that? And 4 will be added at the end. Any confusions? Find P62 on your own. P62 you'll multiply with? Divide with? 100. Try it on your own. Got the answer? Yes. Be attentive everyone. Now P62, so value of 62 into n plus 1 upon 100, 62 into 15 plus 1 upon 100, do 15 plus 1 divided by 100 into 62, 9.92. Understood the procedure? Ninth observation plus 0.92. Now here we have 9, so in bracket you will take 10th observation minus 9th. Now 9th is 6 plus 0.92 in bracket, 10th is also 6. So 6 plus 0.92 into 0, 6 plus 0, 6. Understood this portion everyone? Now regarding this ungrouped data, we take up some important questions and then we shift to discrete frequency distribution. Page 116, section C, question 10. Page 116, exercise 3, section C, question 10. Mark it important. Important questions when I make you mark. Important doesn't mean difficult. Important means from exam point of view they have good chances of being asked. Important does not mean difficult. Important just means they have good chances of coming in exams. Okay? Look at the question. Like this one, you'll find it very simple when we solve it. The median of observations A minus 5, A plus 1, A plus 2, A minus 3, A is 10. What is 10? Median. Median is 10. So write down M equals to 10. Median is already given. And they say find A. We have to find the value of A. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Median is 10. Did it? The median of observations are A minus 5, A plus 1, A plus 2, A minus 3 and A. And it is 10. What is that 10? Median. Anyone else who did not understand this, raise your hand. Janvi, read the question. So observations are A minus 5, A plus 1, A plus 2, A minus 3 and A. And median is 10. If you read it, the median of these observations is 10. Did you understand this? Anyone else who did not understand it? Do one thing, underline median, underline is, underline 10. In between are the observations. Any confusion in this? Now, raise your hand. What will be the ascending order? Silence, no discussions. Stuti?
A minus 5, A minus 3, A plus 1, A plus 2.
Correct. A minus 5, so that will be the lowest one. Then A minus 3. Then A. Then A plus 1 and then A plus 2. Raise your hand who did not understand the ascending order. All are clear with this? Means first observation is A minus 5, second is A minus 3, third is A, fourth is A plus 1, fifth is A plus 2, and n is equal to 5. 5 observations are there. Now we simply have to apply the formula of median and it will automatically get the answer. We will find A, just apply the formula of median and it will automatically get the answer. Rudra, what is the formula? Correct. Value of n plus 1 upon tooth observation. Now, what is m already given? 10. So left side write 10. Value of 5 plus 1 upon tooth observation. M is 10 on the left side, n is 5. So 5 plus 1 upon tooth observation. Understood that? So 10 is equal to value of 5 plus 1? 6 divided by 2? 3. So write third observation, don't write 3rd observation. 3 means third observation. Okay? Now see at the top what is third observation? A. So I get the answer 10 equals to A equals to 10. So important does not mean difficult, that's what I told you. It is very simple question. Maybe if you would have got second observation, then also, what is second? Then you would have said 10 is A minus 3, bring minus 3 on the left side. So A would become 10 plus 3, 30. Minus on the other would become plus. So any observation you get as median, you get the answer. Is everyone clear with this? Raise your hand who did not understand it. All are clear with that? One more important question is there. Look at section D. Why it is asked? Is it asked? Then why? If it is given, find the observations also, then we'll find putting A. Question number 12, section D. Mark it important. Question number 12, section D. Tachi, read the question. No need to read the observations. And now, sit down. How will you solve this? Raise your hand. 3 observations are missing. Do you understand? 3 students have failed in economics. Their marks are not given. You are given how many observations below? 15 only. But at the end they say find median of all 18. 3 observations are not given, but we don't have to find median of 15, we have to find median of all 18. How can you do that? Raise your hand without knowing those 3 observations. Anyone else? Tanushree? Very good, sit down. 3 students have failed. As such, when we find median, we don't need their marks. Because median in 18 will be the middlemost observation, somewhere around 9 or 10. So first 3 observations are not needed only. Failures means their marks will be coming in the ascending order in the beginning or not? Failures marks means they will be the lowest ones. So as such, when you arrange in ascending order, their marks will be arranged in the beginning. And those 3 observations are not needed only. Because when we solve median, we require somewhere around 9th or 10th observation. Yes, if total only 6 students were there, and these 3 are missing, then it is not possible to find. Because then we need around 3rd observation also. But with 18 students, 3 are failing, So he asks us don't need those values. Understood this portion, everyone? So write down. Question 12, page 117. Suppose the marks of failures are x1, x2, x3. Okay? Now, arranging in ascending order we get. Be careful when observations are more. 4 or 5 observations, it's easy to arrange in ascending. 18, 20, it becomes a difficult task. Arranging in ascending order we get. First x1, x2, x3 will come. Failures means they'll be the lowest ones. Next. Now the lowest is 42 after that. Then after 42 it is 43. 48. 50. Silence. 51. 53.
55.
Then
55.
55.
57.
57.
61.
61.
64. 64.
After 61, 64.
65.
65. 68. 70.
75.
70, 75, and then 79.
Yeah.
So, as I said, if more observations are there, then be careful in ascending order. Are you okay with it? Now, first is x1, second is x2, third is x3, fourth is 42, fifth is 53, 43, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th. Now can you solve it on your own or not?
Yes.
What is asked? Median? Median will be n plus 1 divided by 2. N is 18. So 18 plus 1, 19 divided by 2, 9.5. So do we need the first three? 9.5, you know how to elaborate it? Solve median on your own further. Who are able to get 54? Now those who are not able to get it. Median is value of n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Value of n is 18, so 18 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. 18 plus 1, 19 divided by 2 is 9.5th observation. Now 9.5 means we'll have to split it in two parts. Value of 9th observation plus
0.5 value of
0.5 in bracket, no obs. 10th observation minus 9th observation. Now, as we have done the marking, 9th is 53 plus 0.5, 10th is 55 minus 9th is again 53. So 53 plus 0.5 into 2. 53 plus 0.5 into 2 is 1. So 54. Here what mistake should not be done? Don't do 53 plus 0.5, 53.5 into 207. 107 is not there only. And no one can get 107 marks out of 100. So therefore be careful that plus should be done at the end. I'm telling that again and again. Still in exam some will do that. Is everyone clear with this? Now In the summary, discrete frequency distribution, ungrouped is over. These questions are only there in exercise for ungrouped. So discrete means what? You'll be given with observations and frequencies. Okay. Now, in discrete frequency distribution, formulas are same as ungrouped data. Formulas are same. M value of n plus 1 by 2, observation. Quartiles j n plus 1 by 4th observation. Deciles j n plus 1 by 10th observation. And percentiles j n plus 1 by 100 observation. Formulas are same. But we will be finding them. We will be finding the observations using cumulative frequency. Okay, because directly observations will not be available in a frequency distribution. How to find it using cumulative frequency, I'll explain with the practical question itself. Okay. But when the things come in decimals, etc., it becomes complicated. So there is a shortcut of doing it. The shortcut, I'll explain after the questions. Leave the space for it. First, we'll understand the concept. Telling this in summary, we'll find the observations using CFI, but shortcut I'll explain after the questions. Shortcuts are always short term only. You'll remember it only for exams. In long term, when you go to graduations, professional actual concepts only you'll be able to remember. So first understand the actual concepts, then I'll tell you what is a short. Test tomorrow 2:30. Konsa notice pe dekho, since Monday you have to see that. Every Monday it's put on the notice. Cash books test is there tomorrow. Cash book chapter is completed. One question I'll be asking of 2 columnar cash book. One I'll ask of 3 columnar cash book with the last transaction keeping cash in hand, deposited the rest in bank. That transaction will be there. One will be of petty cash book and MCQs and one-liners. Okay. Now look at page 98, exercise 3.4. Question 3. So the following table gives age of 80 students selected from a college. Age, number of students. What will you denote age and what will you denote number of students? Age xi and number of students fi. Are you all clear with this? So what all is asked below that? Find the median age, then also find Q1, D4, P32 for age and interpret. Understood it? First write down the values of xi and fi. Who is speaking continuously? Now I'll throw you outside if you speak continuously.
तू बोल रहा है सब मेरे पे डाल दे. मैंने बोला. हाँ तो तू.
You are lucky that third question is going on. Write down 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Eleven, 14, 22, 15, 8, 6 and 4. Now listen everyone, as I said we have to find the observations using, first of all, we studied 2 types of cumulative frequencies in chapter 2, less than and more than. In less than we add from top to bottom. In more than we add from bottom to top. We will always be using less than type cumulative frequency because we arrange the observations in ascending order, not in descending. Okay? So we'll always be adding the frequencies from top to bottom. Understand this properly? And here we don't have to show the calculations as we used to show it in chapter 2. Means we used to show 11, then 11 plus 14, then 11 plus 14 plus 22. that we don't have to show. So directly we'll keep on adding and write the CFIs. First is 11. 11 plus 14, 25 plus 22, 47 plus 15, 62 plus 8, 70 plus 6, 76 plus 4, 80. Total of FI will always be the last CFA because you already added the frequencies in CFA. Okay, I repeat it once again. Listen everyone. 11. 11 plus 14, 25. Now no need to do 11 plus 14 plus 22. 11 plus 14 we already did 25. So directly 25 plus 22, 47. 47 plus 15, 62. 62 plus 8, 70. 70 plus 6, 76. 76 plus 4, 80. Raise your hand who did not understand CFI. All are clear with this? Now how to find the values using CFI? First, median is asked. Median value of n plus 1 upon tooth observation. Understood that everyone? Sheetal, what is n? Here what is the value of n? Correct. 80. Be careful again in n what mistake? N is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is the total of FI. 17 is occurring 11 times. So N is not 7, N is 80. Understood this? Value of 80 plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Value of 40.5th observation. Now put your pens down. I'll tear the pages if anyone writes after this, okay? Now this, we have been doing value of 40th observation plus 0.5. 40th observation plus 0.5 bracket 41st observation minus 40th observation. Now be attentive. How do we find that observations using CFI? First of all, 17's frequency is 11. Means can I say 17 is occurring 11 times? First, second, third, up till? Okay. Then 18 is? So 18, 18, 18. It is how many times? 14. But the number will start from 12. So 12, 13, 14 up till 25. See, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 10th, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. So last number will be 25th. Understood that? How do we get using CFIs? What is the first CFI? 11. Means first 11 observations are 17. After 11, 12 to 25. All are 18. This is its meaning. What is the meaning of CFI? First 11 observations are 17. Then after 11, 12 to 25th all are 18. After 25, 26 to 47 all are 19. 48 to 62 all are 20. 63 to 70 all are 21. 71 to 76 all are 22. 77 to 80 all are 20. Understood the concept of CFI? Any confusion with this? Raise your hand. Now, 40th observation will come between 26 to 47. 26 to 47 all are 19. Means 26th is 19, 27th is 19, 28th is 19. In between 40th is also 19. 41st is also 19. 42nd, 43rd up till 48 all are 90. 47 up till 47 all are 90. So can I say this will be 19 plus 0.5? 19 minus 19? 19 plus 0.5 into 0? 19 plus 0? 19. Understood this? This is the actual concept. Now, shortcut. Anyone who did not understand the actual concept? This is clear? Sure? Otherwise, I'll explain this first. 40th observation. 40th observation will be between 26 to 47. 20, silence. 26 to 47 all are. So 40th observation will be 90 plus 0.5 in bracket. Even 41st observation in between is 90. So again 41st is 19 minus 40th is already 19. So 19 minus 19 is 0. Therefore final answer is 19. Did you understand this? Anyone else who did not understand this? All are clear with the actual concept? Now, shortcut method. What we will be doing is, be attentive. We will be finding CFI just greater than equal to the value we obtained. We will be finding CFI just greater than equal to the value we obtained. What is the value we obtained? 40.5. Now, more than 40.5 is 47, 62, 70, 76, 80.
Yes.
But which CFI is just greater than 40.5, 47?
Yes.
Against that is your answer. 90. Over. No need to do that complications. So there is a shortcut method. But actual concept should be clear why we take this way. Therefore I told you shortcut I'll give you after explaining the concept. You always do it this way. You find CFI just greater than equal to the value obtained. And after that, whatever is the observation against that CFI is your answer. Understood this? Therefore I told you don't write those steps. Now, take out the summary shortcut. Write down. Find. Shortcut, give the heading and write down. Find CFI just greater than equal to the value obtained. Okay, first stop. Answer will be observation against CFI. Don't take out your mobile in between. I'll not give you back if I take it. Priyanshu. Understood this? Now, what is after median asked? Q1. Did you write this 19? And everyone is clear how is this 19 obtained? Now Q1 write down value of. One more point is there in the note shortcut. I hope it comes across in this question. Value of 1 n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Value of 1 80 plus 1 upon 4th observation. Value of 20.25th observation. Do it 80 plus 1 divided by 4 into 1.
कैसा repeat?
Bracket always solve first. 80 plus 1 divided by 4 into 1. 20.25. Okay?
OBS में ऑप्शन
Any confusion?
आगे लिखा जा रहा है
Now be attentive. CFI just greater than 20.25, which one? 25. Against that is our answer. Understood this? Any doubts with it? All are clear with the shortcut? After Q1, what is asked? One more point I have to explain, it has not come across still. That on D4 equals to value of Arushi and Vidhi, don't talk in between. Now D4, so value of 4. You'll multiply with 4. And decile, so n plus 1 upon 10th observation. So value of 4, 80 plus 1 upon 10th observation. So value of 32.4th observation. Understood this? 80 plus 1, 81 divided by 10, 8.1 into 4, 32.4th observation. All of you able to get this in calculator? Yes. Now CFI just greater than 32.4 is also 47. And against that answer is already there, 90. So we don't need to split that, okay? And the last one asked is E32. Hopefully we get that point here. It's an important point. Value of 32 n plus 1 upon 100th observation. Value of 32 80 plus 1 upon 100th observation. Value of 280 plus 1 upon 100 into 32. 25.92th observation. Put your pens down. Put your pens down. Now here suppose I expanded. Value of 25th observation. So thankfully we get it today this point. Plus 0.92. Now here 25th, so 26th observation minus 25th observation. Now, as I explained you, first 11 observations are 70. 12 to 25 all are, means 25th observation is 18 plus 0.92. Now, 26 to 47 all are. So can I say 26th observation is 19? Yes. Minus 25 is 18. So 18 plus 0.92 into 1. 18 plus 0.92, 18.92. Now tell me, why we used shortcut here? Why we did not expand it? Prachi?
So because the value came between like 25 and 47 exactly. It was not like 25 point something.
We used the shortcut because the difference was coming to 0. When I split that, in bracket it was coming 19 minus 19. 19 minus 19, 0. 0 into 0.50. So your final answer will remain 0. But here is the difference coming 0. So here we cannot use the shortcut. Now the question arises when to use and when not to use. Okay. What is the number before the decimal? 40. Okay, not 0, 40. What is the? What is the number before the decimal? 40. Do you have 40 in CFI? No. Use the shortcut. What is the number before the decimal? 20. Do you have 20 in CFI? No. Use the shortcut. What is the number before the decimal? 32. Do you have 32 in CFI? No. Use the shortcut. what is the number before the decimal? 25. Do you have 25 in CFI? Yes. Don't use the short. Then you expand it fully. Understood this point? Yes. Take out the summary. In that shortcut, write down if the number before the decimal is present in CFI, then don't use the shortcut. Two illustrations, 17, 18 I gave yesterday. Means in median. Complete that now. So all are clear with this discrete, how to do it? Now this is your homework. You have to show it on Monday, but voluntarily, if possible, try to do it by tomorrow only. The reason, first you prepare for the test of cash book. If you are left out the time, do it tomorrow itself, because tomorrow we are going to have the lecture also. So that homework also will come. Sunday's homework will also come. So there will be a lot of burden on Monday. If you get time after the preparation, then do it. But you have to show it on Monday. Okay? Just wait for 5 minutes. Some students want to talk to you. So. Yes? 17, 18. Median 17, 18.
चुप रहो ना। किया था।